Please stand. You are charged with driving under the influence of alcohol and causing an accident that injured an elderly woman. How do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Do you understand the seriousness of what happened?
Yes, Your Honor. I deeply regret my actions. I should never have driven after drinking.
According to the report, you lost control of your vehicle and struck an elderly pedestrian. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. I wasn't paying enough attention, and I made a terrible decision.
Was the woman seriously injured?
I was told she suffered several injuries. I'm very sorry for what I did to her.
Did you receive medical attention at the scene?
Yes. The emergency services arrived, and the woman was taken to the hospital.
Have you spoken to her or her family?
Not directly, Your Honor. But I would like to apologize to her and her family.
An apology cannot undo the harm caused. You also put other people's lives at risk by driving while intoxicated.
I understand. I take full responsibility.
Have you learned from this experience?
Absolutely.
I will never drive after drinking again. I'm willing to attend alcohol education and counseling if required.
The court recognizes your guilty plea and your willingness to accept responsibility. However, the consequences of your actions are serious.
I understand, Your Honor.
You are sentenced according to the applicable law. You will also be required to complete an alcohol awareness program and comply with the court's driving restrictions.
Yes, Your Honor.
I hope you understand that this could have ended in an even greater tragedy. Make better decisions in the future.
I will, Your Honor. I'm truly sorry.
Court is adjourned.
These strawberries look delicious.
They were picked fresh this morning.
Really? Where are they from?
A local farm. They are as fresh as they come.
Can I taste one?
Of course. Go ahead.
Wow, they're really sweet.
That is why people come back every week.
How much is a basket?
$5.
Great. I'll take 2.
Excellent choice.
Do you grow them yourself?
Yes. My family has been farming for 30 years.
That's impressive.
Thank you. We take a lot of pride in our work.
It certainly shows.
I'm glad to hear that.
Do you have fresh peaches, too?
Yes, they are right over there.
They look great. I'll have some of those as well.
Wonderful. I will add them to your order.
Here's the money.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy everything.
I'm sure I will. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
See you next week.
We will be here.
This painting is incredible.
It really is. It's over 300 years old.
Really? That's amazing.
Yes, and it was recently restored.
The colors are beautiful. They look so vibrant.
The artist was famous for using rich, vibrant colors.
Do you know how long it took to paint?
Nearly 2 years.
Wow, that's impressive.
And every detail was painted by hand.
I could spend hours looking at it.
Many visitors do. There's so much to discover.
Which exhibit is the most popular?
The ancient Egyptian collection is probably the most popular.
I'd love to see that.
Of course. Follow me, and I will show you the way.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Is photography allowed?
Yes, but please don't use flash.
Great. I will keep that in mind.
Enjoy the rest of your visit.
I already am.
That's wonderful to hear.
Thanks for all the information.
My pleasure. Goodbye. Have a great day.
Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you today? I had like to renew my ID card. Of course. Do you have your current ID card with you? Yes, I do. Here it is. Thank you. Please fill out this form. Certainly. You will also need a recent passport-sized photo. I have one with me. Perfect. That's everything we need for the application. Great. How long will the process take? It usually takes about 2 weeks. Will I receive a notification when it's ready? Yes, we will notify you by email. Great. Is there a processing fee? Yes. Please pay the processing fee at the counter. Can I pay by card? Absolutely. Thank you. Your payment has gone through. Is everything complete now? Yes, everything is complete. Your application has been submitted. Thanks for your help. You are very welcome. Have a nice day. Goodbye. You too. Have a good day.